Hello,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
I'm
afternoon.
fantastic, ma'am. Thank you for asking. I'm doing great. What?
I'm also doing great. Your name is Bharat, right?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Bharat Kumar Pandey. Full.
Your name is Bharat Kumar Pandey.
Yes.
Tell me about yourself, Bharat.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Bharat Kumar Pandey, and I'm basically from Bihar, but currently I live in New Delhi. And
Okay.
uh, and earlier I used to do work in Jammu and Kashmir, but currently I'm doing work in New Delhi in Genpact.
Okay.
So it's my short. And if I talk about my family, so I have seven are there. There are seven members in my family. Me and my brother and my brother wives and my brother three kids and and my wife.
So you are living alone in New Delhi.
No, I live in New Delhi with my wife.
Okay. You are living with your wife. You are married. And
Yeah,
your family
I
lives in
got
Bihar.
married last February.
Okay. You got married last year.
Yes, my whole family live in Bihar, and
And what job you are doing in New Delhi? What is your
I
job?
do work in MNC company.
Okay. What is your job profile?
I do work in MNC company in Genpact. I'm doing work in account receivable department,
Okay. You
AI
work in
department.
accounts department.
Yeah,
Okay. Is the connection poor?
yeah. I think I in my side is okay. Everything okay, but
Actually, it's perfect on my side also. That is why I was asking because it's breaking in between. We
yeah, I
tried to
think
connect so many
it,
times. Last time, do you remember when we had planned a meeting?
yeah,
I was not feeling well, so we
yeah.
had to
I
cancel it.
know.
So finally,
Yeah, you
connected
told
today.
me finally. Thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce so connected with me and make a conversation with me because I'm very glad to talk with you and I'm very excited to talk with you
Okay.
because last time I tried to join but you have some problem of fever
Yeah. Yeah.
and
Yes.
uh, and then after I don't get a time to connect with you
Mhm.
but fortunately you messaged me.
But fortunately, you messaged me.
Yeah,
So I messaged you
you
because I
sent message to me.
remembered
Yeah,
your message that I pray to God that you recover soon. So I thought he's praying for me and
yeah,
I felt so happy. I thought I will definitely connect to you. But after a few months or maybe after a few weeks, I forgot about that. So suddenly I was, one day I was
yeah,
scrolling through my WhatsApp chats. Then I saw
yeah.
your chat and then I
Okay.
remembered that I am yet to converse with Bharat. अभी भारत के साथ तो कॉन्वर्सेशन
Yeah,
हुआ ही
Bharat.
नहीं है so that is why I remembered. But you also never texted after that. Yeah, you also got
Yeah, because I messaged, but I didn't get a time lot because after last 2 months I joined in Genpact and I didn't get lots of time and my training is going on, so that's why I'm very busy.
you shouldn't say my training is going on. For the last 2 months, I joined
Yeah,
there and I have been keeping very
yeah,
busy and my training was also going
yeah,
on. What
yeah,
kind of work you do? Like in accounts department, do you have to make
yeah.
accounts, credit, debit, and all that? Because I don't have any idea.
Yeah, ma'am. In account departments have a three type of pillar. Okay, AP department, account payable, account receivable, and R2R. You do work in anywhere, so you have to pay something. So you do work in payable account, and I do work in account receivable. So when you purchase something from Flipkart, from Amazon, any kind of, and you when you pay something by online,
Mhm.
so that kind of money we received.
Okay.
Okay, so it is my work.
Okay. Okay.
When
So
you
that
pay
is your work.
something by online, yeah,
It's not buy online. When you pay something online,
online, yeah.
you are liking your work or is there a lot of workload?
No, in this time training is going on, so that's why don't have lots of work. Only training is going on. We have to talk with the client. We have to talk with the foreign client because my process US process I'm doing work. I joined for US process. So sometimes we have to face problem while speaking and while understanding because US client when they speak they have a very fluent. We They speak very fluency.
They speak
So
very
I
fluently.
unable to catch.
Okay.
Yeah, they
So
speak very
foreign clients, they
fluently
speak very
and
fluently and you are not able to catch what they are saying.
what they're saying.
Okay.
So we have to face problem. So that's why I want to learn English and I'm a weak in English. Okay,
Ani,
and I can speak,
don't
but
say I
yeah.
am a weak in English. Say I am weak in English. But you can definitely improve your accounts work also. Don't you think you are improving day by
Yeah.
day while you are working on it? In the same way,
Mm.
you will improve your English
Yeah.
fluency
Yeah.
also
Yeah.
if you work at it. Are you liking
So
it in Delhi? I mean, are you
yeah,
liking
I'm
to
very
live
like
in Delhi?
yeah, I'm very happy to come here because last work I do work in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, in Villa Group. So there, every people speak in Hindi and don't need to speak English. And there, I did work in R&D. Okay, but in February I came back in Delhi, and I joined in Genpact. I give the interview, all interview going on in English. So that time I handled like breaking English. So they, because I know how to do work on cash application. I know very well my work knowledge.
Mhm.
So that's why I joined there. And so, and then after, when I reached there, when I go my office, then I saw everybody speak English. Everybody speaks, because that is a MNC company. My colleague also speak English. Somebody speak English, somebody not speak English. But yeah, when talk to each other, they can speak Hindi also. But my all senior speaks Hindi. Sorry, speaks English. Okay, so I get embraced to. I also need to speak English fluency. So I have a lot. I can speak, but I get mistaken while speaking, and I got stuck in the way while speaking in English. So last time I want to join to you. Yeah, I want to, because every time I watch your video on YouTube, just like you talk with the student, and when you correct sentence each and every time, so I like the most, because it's a very good way to learn English. If you, because one, there have one application, just talk skill. When I come to know about, when I come to know about just talk skill, I joined there. But it's very, that is a very good, but uh, there have no any kind of teacher who catch your mistake.
Okay.
So when you talk with your student, so you do good thing, like you catch a mistake and current time you correct it. Just like you correct me, you should you should speak like that, like this. So it's very good.
Okay.
So I like the most.
Thank you. So I will correct a few mistakes. Like you were saying, somebody speak English, somebody not speak English. So you can say here, some people speak English, some people don't speak English. Actually, there were so many things I forgot.
Yeah.
Like you were saying, while I was living there, many people were not speaking English, but now I have come here. Here, my interview happened in English. Interview was taken in English, and everyone speaks English in an MNC. I like this way of
Immense, yeah.
learning English where you correct mistakes there and then. You correct mistakes on the spot. And while I was using the Josh Talks app, that app is good, but I was facing a problem that there was no teacher who was present there and who would catch your mistake on the spot.
On the spot, yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So tell me, how is your wife? Is she loving Delhi?
Yeah, she's very good, and she's loving me. And because and she's educated, she also do work, and
What
she's
does
also
she do?
educated. She has graduate. She do work in she also do work in MNC company.
Okay, so you can say she works in an MNC company.
She works in MNC company.
She
Yeah,
works in an MNC company,
work in MNC
multinational
company. Yeah,
company.
yeah,
Does she love Delhi?
yeah. Yeah. Does she? Yeah. Does she
Okay,
love
she
Delhi?
does. So you can say yes, she does.
Yeah.
इसका मतलब ये हुआ क्या उसे दिल्ली बहुत पसंद आ रही है? आप कह रहे हो हाँ आ रही है.
Because
So when I say does she love Delhi, so you can say yes, she does. Yes, she does.
she
Huh?
live Delhi since childhood. But
Oh,
I didn't. Yeah, she lives
okay. She
since
was already living in
childhood.
Delhi,
Yeah,
and you came here after
yeah,
marriage.
yeah. Because she come from she is my relation, one of my sister,
Okay.
like family members. So
Mhm.
whole family member live in Delhi last 20 years ago.
Family
So
has
that's
been
why
living in Delhi for last 20
has
years.
been living there.
The whole family
Yeah,
has been, not have,
has been
whole
living.
family is
Yeah.
singular. The whole family has been living in Delhi for 20 years.
Yeah. Then after marriage, I contacted her. Yeah.
Okay. So you came to Delhi after marriage or before marriage?
Yeah, before marriage, one time I came here in 2020. In 2020, for 1 month, I do work there, but I don't feel like good. Then after I went to Jammu and Kashmir, one of my sister husband who does working in Jammu and Kashmir, who called me, and I went there and joined. After 12th, I joined in Birla Group in textile company. And while doing job, I completed my graduation from BCom.
Okay,
Okay,
in
when
Jammu
I
Kashmir.
complete my graduation
In Jammu
in
Kashmir.
Jammu Kashmir, yeah, and after completed my graduation, I came back in Delhi after marriage. And my wife suggested me you should try in MNC company because you know very well how to do work, your profile. Yeah, you have some lacking of English, but yeah, you can correct it. You can learn. So I try in Delhi and I selected. And then after February, I have been doing work there.
I tried in Delhi and I got selected. I tried in
Yeah,
Delhi and I got selected. एंड पहले
yeah.
आपने क्या बोला था कि मैं एक बार दिल्ली आया 1 महीने के लिए, तो उसके लिए यू हैड सेड समथिंग, टेल मी व्हाट
I
डिड यू
came
से?
here. I came here in Delhi 2020, 2018.
Once I had come to Delhi in 2017 for a month. So actually, I was
I had
also
camps.
born and raised in Delhi, and I have been living in Delhi since childhood. So I also love Delhi. So where do you live in Delhi?
Yeah, Delhi is a very good city. I love Delhi because Delhi is the capital of our India. So
Yes,
everybody wants to come here to live
yes.
there, and Delhi have a lots of place to visit, like
Delhi has,
Akshardham also
Delhi
available,
has,
and yeah,
Delhi has lots of
Delhi has,
places to visit.
yeah,
Has, because Delhi is singular.
similar. Delhi has a lot of place to visit because Akshardham also available, and Red Fort, Qutub Minar. So lots of and if you go in Gurgaon also have a good like Gurgaon is a foreign country city. Like if you go in, I first I
Yes,
visit in
Gurgaon is so beautiful.
yeah, there are cyber hub. If you go in cyber hub, you feel like good. So after visit I feel like good.
Okay, so you can say after visiting Cyber Hub, I loved it. I visited Cyber
I
Hub
love it.
and I
Yeah,
loved it.
I love it. Yeah.
So where is your office in Delhi?
My office is not Delhi correctly. My
Okay,
office is situated in Gurgaon.
okay. Okay, you live in Delhi
Yeah,
and you travel to
I
Gurgaon
live.
every day.
I live in Delhi and I travel to Gurgaon by metro every
Okay,
day.
so
And
you
one
go by metro
by
every day.
one, yeah, one side my company provide me a cab facility also from one side.
Where is your wife's office?
She used to do work, but currently she didn't. She is not doing work.
So she has
She
left
used to
the
do
job.
work.
She used to
Yeah,
do
she
a
is left the
job.
job.
Now she has left her job.
She used to do work. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
why did she leave her job?
Because she has to go. She has to go a village. So that's why, and she has some problems. So that's why she left her job. So that's why.
Since she had to go to
Yeah,
the village, she left the job. And after coming back, she wanted
yeah,
to do the job. So did she resume the job after coming back?
yeah. She want to job, so she can
Okay, right now she is looking for a
before.
job. Is she looking
No,
for a
she is
job?
not looking for job. No. Before marriage, she used to job. She used to do job, but after marriage, she left the job. And last February, last January till January, she used to do job. But now she is not doing job. She's she is at home and she's a housewife.
She is a homemaker now.
She's a homemaker. Yeah, but she
You have
also she every day she told me, "Yeah, I also want to do job." So I told her, yeah, you can after some time you can try.
why after
Now
some time?
after some just like she told me every day, see, I also want to do job. Okay, so I told to her, yeah, you can, but after some time, next year you can try because currently we got married. So after some time, after next year, you can try to do job.
Okay, you want her not to work for a while. You want her to stay at home for a while, and after that she should try. You think
Mhm.
that?
After New Year, after this year,
So you said she told
2024,
me
yeah.
every day. She told me every day नहीं होता. She tells me every day that she wants to take up a job. Take up a job after some time or maybe next year.
Yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, right. Yeah.
Tell me, do you have kids?
No, I don't have any kids.
Any kind.
Currently, I
Kids
got
are of one
married.
kind only.
No, I don't
Okay.
have kids. And now it's not a good time for that, so
It's
that's
too
why I
early,
don't
huh?
think about
It's
it.
too early. You are
It's too
focusing on
early.
your career, right?
I'm focusing on my career, so that's why I don't think about it. Yeah, but after some time,
And what about your family? Do they live in a village?
one of my brother who lives in Dubai, who do work in Dubai as a
Okay.
electrician,
As a
and as an electrician,
okay. He works as an electrician in Dubai.
yeah, in Dubai, yeah,
Okay. And your parents and other family members, they live in Bihar.
and yeah, of whole family members who live in Bihar,
Okay.
just like my brother wives and brother kids, my mother who lives in Bihar. Bihar.
Mhm. Okay. Does everyone speak English in your office?
Yeah, everybody, not everybody, but yeah, everybody is speaking English. My colleague also speak English, but while talking to each other, everybody speak Hindi. When my senior come in my office, so that time everybody speak English, and I also
Okay.
try to speak English, but got stuck in the way. So I have embraced to talk with my senior when I am unable to speak English. But I try to speak English. I try to speak English, and my just like as my colleague, my senior everybody speak English, but my colleague who knows how to speak English but not correctly, who speak like me, everybody.
No, it doesn't matter. Everyone makes mistakes when they start. So, in
Yeah,
spite of making mistakes, you have courage to speak English. If you make mistakes, then only you will become fluent. So, it's very brave of you that you are speaking English.
yeah,
Yeah. What you meant to say was we speak English when the seniors come, but we speak Hindi with each other. We talk to each other in Hindi, but when we talk to
in
seniors,
Hindi.
or then we speak English.
Try to speak English. Yeah, it's very good to. It is very. We get a good opportunity to learn English in my office
Yes.
also because everybody told me. Everybody tells to me. Everybody tells to me like
Mhm.
you should try to also we should speak in English to each to other because we are unable to speak English because and he was also unable and I am also unable to speak English. So that's why we should try to each other to speak English.
You should try to speak English
Every
with each other. You should
to
all
each other
try to speak English with each other. With,
with each other. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Your colleagues speak in English, but they make mistakes, right?
They make mistake. Yeah,
But
they
when you
also
speak to
make
your
mistake.
seniors, they will not make mistakes. Your seniors don't make mistakes.
My senior doesn't make
Huh.
mistake because they
So,
are
yeah.
perfect in English. Yeah.
So when you talk to your seniors, you are getting an
Hmm.
exposure of English. You are listening to English every day. So this exposure will make you very fluent in a few years. If you keep working in Delhi in such a company where everyone speaks English, you will become fluent in no time. But otherwise also, when you are home and you have free time, then you can watch some English
Yeah.
content. You can talk to
Contents.
your wife actually. You can do English speaking practice with your wife. If she
Yeah.
is also fluent in
Yeah.
English, she will get a very good job.
Sometimes I do like this. Sometimes I do like this when we get time, but not for a long time.
Okay,
For
not
10
very
minutes,
often.
we try to speak English. Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Anything else that you want to tell me?
I'm very just like I'm very like very curious to excited to talk with you. And last time from last time I want to join to you, but nowadays in 2 days I get this opportunity to talk with you, and I also every day watch your content or when you upload YouTube with a student when you and when a student make mistake and you correct it.
Let me correct one sentence first. You were saying, I want to talk to you. I wanted to talk to you earlier, but we couldn't
I
connect.
want yeah
Yeah, I wanted to because want ka wanted ho gaya because it is past. I wanted to talk to
past
you,
yeah.
but we couldn't connect. Today I got this opportunity.
Okay, yeah, of course. Okay,
Okay, Bharat, it was so nice talking to you. All
okay,
the
ma'am.
best.
Thank you.
You will definitely
Thank
become
you so much.